Good morning, fellow bikers. Samir here at 4:15 in the morning, and I'm on my way to Kotagiri. Kotagiri is a small hill station, I should call it, in the bowels of Nilgiris, very close to Ooty and Kannur. So that's where we are going. Few riders together, so few riders from the Unexplored Club again. That's the same club that I went last time with. So going with them again, and it's going to be a fun ride. It's a long weekend ride. 26th January, put together on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the 3 days is what we are planning to have this ride. So let's see. So the plan is to take two different routes. While going to Kotagiri, we plan to take, we start at Kanakpura road and then proceed via Ooty, I believe. That's what the plan is. And then while coming back, we are going to come via Coimbatore because we are going to visit Isha Foundation in Coimbatore and then come back. So Isha Foundation I have visited multiple times in Bangalore, but never in Coimbatore, which is the original first center. So that's what we are going to go. In fact, the first vlogging video that I did on my channel was of Isha Center in Bangalore. So yeah, going to have a good time. So like I said, we are not many bikers who are going to do this. So, it's just that I wanted to use the weekend riding. So that's the whole plan. And of course, the weather, I believe it's going to be, well, not very chilly. At least the forecast doesn't give very low temperatures. It's going to be pleasant. 20s in the daytime, and night probably it goes around 13-14 degrees. So going to have a good time there. So I'll keep you updated as we have any updates, basically, because it's dark. It's what, 4:20 right now. So as there is some daylight or some update, I will definitely come back online and update you guys. So catch you in some time, and enjoy a happy Republic Day to all of you, to all my fellow Bharatiyas and Indians, right? Enjoy that moment, enjoy that freedom, enjoy. Catch you later. Bye. Good morning, folks. We are on our way to Kotagiri. We had a short tea break, coffee break in one bakery. It was dark. But now we are in the open countryside. It is pleasant. And the traffic, surprisingly, is not much, though it's a long weekend. Of course, we have taken an offbeat route. So having a good time. Catch you. So good morning, folks. We are taking a short break on the highway, and we are just 5 of us out here having a good time. Here's one Harley boy, and we have a nice, and this is a week old 650 Meteor, a Duke, a drone being taken out, and we are having good fun. That's my bike, Honda, and here we have Naveen, who is also from Honda. Yay! Okay, catch you guys. So as we are on this highway, this is supposed to be a national highway, by the way. I am seeing lots and lots of people walking. I'm sure they are visiting some temple and they need to walk there. I mean, I passed hundreds of them earlier. This is very few that you just saw. I don't know what temple we are looking at, but definitely there is a lot of faith here in terms of the people walking there. Soon it is going to be very warm, and yeah, then people will have a hard time walking. So I'm sure they started off quite early in the morning in the darkness. The Bandipur reserved forest. As you can see, the greenery is missing, obviously, with the summer months approaching very soon. The greenery is going to get reduced further on. The trees are bare, just got out of winter, right? So but having said that, it's nice fun to ride in this forest. And the moment we hit Bandipur, the traffic has also increased. A lot of people probably also going towards Ooty, Masinagudi. So let's see, if I see something interesting, then I will come back online. Catch you guys. And now we are slowly approaching the hairpin bends of Ooty. You can see the monstrous mountains next to us. I guess we will climb one of those, is my assumption. So very soon the hairpin bends are going to start for Ooty, and we are not going to go all the way to Ooty. It seems after a few bends there is some other road which will take us to where we want to go, right? So that's the plan. So let's see. The greenery is, well, I'm slightly disappointed, but I should not be. This should be known, right? I mean, in this season you won't get the greenery as it's there in the monsoon. So, and it's quite sunny right now. The ride has been good. We took all the different kind of roads. I will put up a route map probably in the video. So I will catch you once the hairpin bends start now. The imposing Nilgiri mountains are right in front of me. I don't know how much of what I am speaking can be heard with the exhaust quite loud. Oh wow, beautiful sight. These Nilgiri mountains look beautiful. A lot of traffic snaking up, is going to snake up. Still the ascent has not started. It looks good. That's the exhaust of a Harley Davidson. Abhishek, who is the lead of our group, owns this bike. So first of the hairpin bend, that was 36 of 36, and in quick succession 35. A lot of monkeys also. I mean, that's a given, right? Wherever you have greenery, you have monkeys. That's quite an incline, guys. You can immediately see the greenery increasing. I mean, we have hardly, I don't know how much altitude, but not much. But immediately the greenery has increased. It was quite dry at the bottom, as you had noticed, but now it has become green. Shade is there, and the temperature obviously will come down. Lot of traffic, but I do see a mix of vehicles. Kerala, but yeah, Bangalore always leads the pack. That was hairpin bend number 11 of 36. I find these hairpin bends are easier compared to Kohli Hills. I don't know, that's my perception. I might be completely wrong, but that's how I think about it. So I'm wondering where turn 7 is. That's where Abhishek is. Okay, I see them. They are right there. This is pretty nice and steep, boss. And everything is concrete. The road is concrete, so rough. These are the inner roads of this town. This is what the locals use every day. No tourist here.